Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup joumou. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including a 2-pound pumpkin, 1 pound of beef, and an assortment of vegetables. Begin by peeling, seeding, and boiling your pumpkin until it is incredibly tender. While the pumpkin cooks, season and marinate your beef, ideally letting it sit overnight to absorb all those wonderful flavors. This preparation ensures a rich and authentic taste. Once your beef is marinated, brown it thoroughly in a large pot, ensuring a nice sear on all sides. Next, take your tender, cooked pumpkin and blend it with a bit of its cooking liquid until you achieve a perfectly smooth puree. Carefully add this vibrant pumpkin puree to the pot with your brown beef. Stir everything together and let it simmer gently, allowing the flavors to begin their beautiful dance. Now it's time to add your diced vegetables, such as carrots, potatoes, and cabbage, to the simmering pot. Stir them in well, ensuring they are fully submerged. Let the soup continue to simmer for at least 1 hour or even longer to allow all the ingredients to meld and deepen in flavor. Finally, adjust the seasonings to your preference, adding salt, pepper, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for a subtle kick. Before serving, remember to carefully remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper to prevent the soup from becoming too spicy for some palates. Ladle your warm, comforting soup joumou into bowls. Garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a refreshing squeeze of lime juice to brighten the flavors. It's truly a dish to savor and share. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.